Now, I'll explain one more problem from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This is from the topic divisibility. A number, one 6-digit number is given. In that number, 2 places are missing. Hundreds place and 10 places are missing. 4, 7, 6, 2 places are missing. 0 is divisible by both 3 and 11. The non-zero digits in the 100th place and the 10th place respectively are, 4 options are given. In this problem, the given number is divisible by 11. I am taking the number as 476 x, y, 0. In the 100th place I am writing x, in the 10th place I am writing y. What is the divisibility condition for 11? The sum of the digits in the odd, difference between the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of the digits in the even places should be equal to 0 or the multiple of 11. Then the whole number is divisible by 11. First I am finding the sum of the digits in the odd places. 0 plus x plus 7. Then the sum of the digits in the even places. Y plus 6 plus 4. I am finding out the difference. So 0 plus x plus 7 minus y plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 0 I am taking. Because if the difference is 0, then the whole number is divisible by 11. So x plus 7 minus y plus 10 is equal to 0. After simplification I got x minus y is equal to 3. First equation I got. Then this number is divisible by 3 also. So what is the divisibility condition for 3? The sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So I am adding all the digits, 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus x plus y plus 0. After addition I got 17 plus x plus y. If you add 1 to this 17, it will be divisible by 3. But it is not possible because x and y should be non-zero digits given in the problem. So x is not equal to 0, y is not equal to 0. So x plus y is equal to 1 is not possible. X plus y should be 4. If you add 4 to 17, it will be divisible by 3. 17 plus 4 is 21, it is divisible by 3. Or it should be 7. 17 plus 7 is divisible by 3. So two conditions are there. X plus y should be equal to 4 or x plus y should be equal to 7. I am taking x plus y is equal to 4. Already I have one equation, x minus y is equal to 3. If you solve these two equations, I am getting x value as 7 by 2. That is not possible because x should be the positive number, not a fraction. It should be the whole number. So I am taking x plus y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 3. By solving these two equations, I am getting x value as 5 and y value as 2. If you substitute x is equal to 5, if you substitute 100 place as 5 and 10th place as 2, this full number is divisible by 3 as well as by 11. So correct option is 5, 2. C option is correct.